Hello there and welcome to this video. Let me introduce you to Salita. Salita is a natural language UI starting out as a web browser. I had worked on Salita during 7th semester of my BTech as a part of my Lean Startup course project. The idea behind Salita was to develop a new kind of web browser where users could easily get back the answer to any query without having to visit even a single web page. This is achieved by introducing an artificial intelligence component such as a question answering system between the search engine and presentation layers of a web browser, which will learn from the resulting web pages and provide us with the answer. The project plays its key role when the user is interested in a single sentence definition or a one-word answer, or when the user is concerned about privacy including ads and trackers. The project was a great learning experience for me as I got to work with the web speech API for speech synthesis and speech recognition, as well as the Allennlp research library for bidirectional attention flow model, which I used for the question answering system. Google was used as a search engine and we used Beautiful Soup for scraping the resulting web pages. With that said, let's move on to the project demonstration. So Salita has two servers, one for the interface and one for the question answering server, which is built as a read-only REST API. There are 4 comments that Salita can handle on the interface itself, and for any other query, Salita will send the query to our question answering server, which will learn in current time from the resulting web pages and then send us back the answer along with the references in JSON format, which will be passed by the interface and then displayed to us. And Salita will also tell us the answer in natural language as well. So let's go ahead and see the first 4 built-in commands. Yeah. Salita, what is my name?
Your name is Christine T. Jose.
So I hope you were able to hear that, and this is a very basic command that I had introduced into the code just for testing purposes. Let's take a look at the next command. Salita, what is the time?
11:04 p.m.
Okay, so you might have noticed one bug here, right? The speech recognition system, it said Sunida instead of Salita, so yeah, there is some problem with my accent or pronunciation, and hence I have to include Salita or Sunida into the regular expression. Now let's take a look at the next query. Salita, what is the date?
February 19, 2023.
Okay, let's take a look at the next one. Salita, what day is today? Okay, it missed the Salita part. So when we speak, tell a command to Salita, it must start with the word Salita. Yeah, so let's try again. Salita, what day is today?
Sunday.
Okay, great. So now that we have seen all the 4 built-in commands, now let's take a look at another query which it will have to send to the question answering server. Salita, which month of the year has the least number of days? So it's loading.
February.
Okay, let's ask another question. Salita, who is the father of English literature?
Geoffrey Chaucer.
Salita, who is the Chief Minister of Kerala?
Pinarayi Vijayan.
Salita, how many districts are there in Kerala? Yeah, the answer is correct. So that's it guys for this project demonstration video. I hope you found the video useful. Thank you.